One of the greatest challenges for an aged care provider is to completely rebuild an aged care facility while staying on time and on budget. In this story, we speak with Paul Crane, who was in charge of a project for Calvary Care at their Kalingo Lodge home in Cessnock. The project was so successful that they were able to save over $250,000. To discover how this was possible, we're joined by Paul Crane. Hello, Paul, and welcome.
Thank you. How are you?
So take us back to the beginning. I understand that this project was successful because of the work that you were able to do and the help that Scope Constructions gave you.
Yes, Ken, that's correct. Scope were successful in a tender process where they were appointed to complete works for us at our Cessnock facility. It's a large facility. It's an operating aged care home, and so there are difficulties in achieving outcomes in construction whilst preserving the amenity for our residents. So they did a very good job of that, and we were very pleased with the work that they did for us.
Now, one of the challenges in a project like this is that you're working on a limited time frame and a limited budget. But I understand that Scope were able to save some $100,000 by reutilising the existing ventilation system.
Yes, that's correct, Ken. So Scope were of the view that the existing system could be continued, and that turned out to be correct, saving Calvary significant funds during the construction phase.
At a time, I mean, in your career, you were the asset manager at Calvary at the time of this project. You must have worked with many builders. Why did you find Scope particularly easy to work with?
Well, I think John and Brett, and also at the time Guy Smith, their on-site manager, have, I guess, an acute awareness of the needs in aged care, and that is that they need to make sure that the environment is as controlled and organised and as peaceful as possible, knowing that we have residents on site, and nothing was too much trouble for John and Brent to try and achieve that. So they worked with us very closely. Communication lines were always open. We worked, very closely with Guy on site day to day to make sure that any issues were raised, communicated, and resolved quickly. And that type of communication and effort to, take care of our residents during the construction phase was very much appreciated.
Now, they also saved you a further $150,000 on some suggestions when it came to various flooring and various other pieces of the equipment. Is this common to work with a builder who's actually out there looking at saving you money?
No, I wouldn't say it's common. I think Scope Constructions are very much in tune with achieving great outcomes for their customers. And, I think that they put in some effort to make sure that they consider alternatives to deliver value back to the client. And that's what they achieved with this project.
Now, one of the things with a project like this, you're working in a live site. This was part of a village that was operating with residents on site. How did they work in that environment? How did they enable you to maintain the high level of service that Calvary's known for with its residents and keep the project on time and on budget?
Well, I think, the key thing to executing a project such as this in a live site is to have a good plan, a good understanding of the needs of the client and our residents, and work through solutions before work commences. And then during the construction phase, it's important that those communication lines are continually open. The part of the home that was being refurbished was vacant, but of course there are residents nearby in adjacent parts of the home. So we just needed to consider that very carefully, understand, I guess, the areas of risk around, noise and creating hazards for residents that are living around the space. And, Scope Constructions were very good at, listening and understanding what those risks were and putting in good mitigation strategies.
Over the years, I'd imagine that you've worked with many construction companies. Why, if you met somebody in a similar role to yourself, why would you recommend Scope Constructions?
Well, I think Scope have got a very good understanding of aged care, and it's not an easy environment to work in terms of the construction process, the refurbishment processes that need to be applied to these homes where we have residents on site. And so I was very pleased with Scope, the way they executed the project in terms of planning, being open and willing to listen to what our needs are, what our priorities are, and also respond favourably, making sure that their subcontractors also, were very aware of what the processes were to operate safely with the needs of the resident, involved at all times.